To trade and invest in Upside, you need to have a Demat account. The link for opening the Demat account is given in the description box. Hi friends, we are here with the top stocks in 2021, which is electric vehicle. Future is electric, we all know that. So we will discuss about the vehicles, the batteries and the charging stations of the electric vehicles. Before that, if you are watching our channel first time, you need to subscribe, like and share. Number 1, Amara Raja Batteries Limited. As we analyze on Amara Raja Batteries, we could know that it is a leading and one of the largest manufacturers of lead acid batteries. And in India, they are the preferred supplier on telecom service providers and various other telecom equipment and Indian Railway as well. Market cap is 14,914 crore, current price is 874 and the 52 weeks high is 1026, low is 349. So current price we can again analyze that 874. The book value is 230, the dividend yield is 1.26 and ROC and ROE is outstanding. Looking into the 1 year chart of Amara Raja Battery, we can see that there is an increase in the share price, and we can look into 5-year chart. So it is maintaining a balance level. So if we analyze the sales margin ratio, we can see that in this year on this segment the sales is larger as we consider on last 5 years, which is giving a good future mentality as we are moving into the electric world. Consider the pros and cons. Company is almost debt free and maintaining a healthy dividend payout 22.83. Here we can see the competitors of Amara Raja, and among that Amara Raja is also a normal or average or something which is developing onto the future companies. Operating profit is being increasing on this current quarters, which would replicate in net profit also. And finally, if we look into cash flow, it is also giving us a good statement and a good future for the company. We could analyze that the company will grow into future. Number 2, Exide Industries Limited. We can see that Exide Industries is also a battery manufacturer, which is a competitor for the first stock Amara Raja. The market capitalization is 16,103 crore. The current price is 189. So the investors which have a low amount of can invest in Exide Industry. 52 weeks high is 221 and low is 125. Book value is 80.2. Dividend yield 2.16. ROC and ROE also perfect. On analyzing 1 year chart for the Exide Industries, it's also replicate that it is growing. So considering the company's history on sales and margins, we can see that the current years, recent 1 or 2 or 3 years is being outstanding for the company, and which itself is showing a bright future. This company is also being a debt-free company and paying a maintaining healthy dividend payout. We can see the competitors of the company, and the company is maintaining a good performance. Finally, the cash flow is also stating that company is in a nice position. Number 3, Tata Power. We know that Tata family is a giant company, and the Tata Power is also one of the main companies which they are eyeing up to. Tesla is also being in talks with Tata Power for opening their charging stations on countrywide. So if you analyze the market capitalization, 33,455 crore is their market capitalization, and current price is 105. 52 weeks high and low is being so embarrassing, and book value is 68.1. Dividend yield is also nice. ROC and ROE ratios are being balanced as we compare into the current price. If we look into the 1 year chart of the Tata company, it's clearly indicating the growth position and the bright future. And if we sales margin on the entire company history suggests that they are in a bright position and they are working hard for the welfare of the company. There's only one pros on Tata company, that is they are maintaining the healthy dividend payout, which is also another catching on this company. We can see the competitors of the Tata Power. Adani Green is attaining its monopoly. As we see on sales margin, the profit is also being maintaining in a constant manner on recent 2 to 3 years. Net profit is also being maintaining on somewhat okay. If we look into the cash flow, cash from operating activity on this March 2020 is more than 7,000. So it's very nice and suggests that company is in a good financial back position. Number 4, Adani Power. Current price of the Adani Power is itself its 52 weeks higher price, and then the lower price is 25.2, and the investors or the viewers, you need to cleanly analyze and go through the Adani Power before you invest. Book value is almost 30 and ROC is 8.22. Company's 1-year chart also gives thorough proof that they are growing, but you need to rethink before you invest. The only one pros is that they are maintaining a good sales growth. Number 5, Olectra Greentech Limited. They are the ones who will really a competitor for the Ashok Leyland and Tata Motors. They are manufacturing electric buses. Current price is 222. Their 52 weeks high is 232. So and low is 41. Book value 88.7. ROE is in negative position. But if we rethink about the company, they are manufacturing the electric bus, and if the buses are catching up the auto world, the company is going to be a giant. 1-year graph of the company shows that they are going to be a giant and they are being in a bright future. The main pros is that company is entirely debt free. As we check into the net profit, they are in a negative position, but on September and December quarters, they are managed to get into the positive. But investors need to be remembered that they are manufacturing the electric bus, and if the buses are being clicked or the buses are being eye-catching on the market, they will be giant. Number 6, Urja Global Limited. We considered Urja Global Limited as this is a penny stock, and looking into the business of the company, they are connected with the solar power, which is renewable energy. Current price of the company is 6.95. High, low is respectively 9 and 0.86. The book value is 2.96 and ROCE and ROE is in somewhat okay. 1-year chart of the company shows that it's increasing their stock price, and if we consider the sales margin, it's also remaining constant on last 5 years. The major advantage of this company is the company is almost debt free. Number 7, Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. This company is in our list because they have already started their manufacturing electric vehicles. The current price of the company is 853. High and low is respectively 952 and 245. Book value is 322. The 1-year chart of the company shows that it's increasing their stock price, and sales margin also suggests that on recent 2 to 3 years it's being outstanding performance on regarding sales and their margins. As we check into the company's entire performance, the one and only pros of the company is they are paying the healthy dividend. Number 8, Ashok Leyland Limited. The Leyland company is also being a manufacturer of electric trucks and buses. The current price is 114 and the high and low is 139, 33.7. Book value is 24 and dividend yield is 0.4. ROC and ROE is being interesting. The pros is company is paying the healthy dividend payout of 42.59. Number 9, Maruti Suzuki India Limited. The highest stock price in our list is Maruti Suzuki India Limited. It is adapted to our country. It is adapted to the roads of our country. It is adapted to the infrastructure of our country. The current price is 7,000 and high and low is respectively 8,000 and 4,000 average. Book value is 1,600 and just the difference between the ROC and ROE is 2%. The pros of the company is really it's a debt free and the healthy dividend payout of 31.39. The net profit of the company is also being increasing as it is overcoming the pandemic. And the last one is Tata Motors, number 10. As we consider about EV vehicles, we need to have Tata Motors in our list. Tata Motors is an innovating company. They have already launched Tata Nexon EV and they are going to launch Tiger, other Ultros and other low budget vehicles. Current price of Tata Motors is 303 and the high low is 357.63. Book value is 152. Never mind about this negative impact because Tata Motors definitely they will overcome. The only pros of the company, promoter holding has increased by 4.02. So that's all in this video. Please like and share and thank you.